the spinner on, the cowl, everything. I thought, no problem, I've got big fucking cowl there. That'll be all right. What's not doing good?
Yeah.
Hi, the two bud.
Last time I did, I go farming there, Are you doing a shorter freight, Eric? Be careful with that engine.
Yeah.
I wouldn't stretch it too long if it's been up.
No.
Nice one.
lights on. Everybody on the boat will have them. All just got a bit too much throttle.
Yeah, you cut your throttle a little bit too early as well. Oh, we all do, Eric. I take that, Eric, though.
Yeah.
Crosswind and it went and landed up there hard. No damage. Brought it back, put a new prop on. Eric.
And I kept the tail down, so I touched on tail first.
It's jumping around all over the place, isn't it? Like.
Did you ever get them things done for Chris?
Well, this then is their first experience of flying the Ruko U11MINI drone. I wanted to just try it out as a proof of concept. Flew it in beginner mode. I found it quite disconcerting actually, not looking at the model but looking at the screen. But that's simply because my sole experience is fixed wing flying. But anyway, I took it out. There's obviously a built-in fence to stop you going too far in beginner mode, so I did an adventure for it. You can see there the iconic turbines looking towards the east coast. I'll obviously venture further afield from the strip on another occasion. I was just getting the feel of it here. I was very, very impressed with the quality of what you could see. It's a very bright day today when I shot this, but I was able to quite clearly see the screen once I'd resisted the urge to look at the model and then back down to the screen. But I sort of did a panoramic view all the way around, and then I thought I'd test out the return to home feature. So I took a little way out, pressed the return home, and then simply hands off. It goes up a little, gains some height, and then makes its way back. And as you can see, when it touches down, it's very, very close to the actual takeoff point itself. Very impressed.
Can't get used to not looking at the model. I'm looking at the screen all the time.
Yeah, it's a difficult one, that, isn't it?
If you're used to flying aircraft, I suppose that's the issue, isn't it?
feel quite unnerved not looking at the model. It's a strange sensation. Somebody that flies fixed-wing aircraft. I'm just circling around. It's quite nippy. I mean, I'm not. That's obviously it's looking at the. I'm going to press the return to home and see what happens. I'll take it out a little way. Oh, it's on beginner mode, that's why it's not going any. I can obviously it's got a limit to how far it'll fly on beginner mode. That's return mode, so it's obviously acquiring a bit of height. I didn't like that, it's right above us. It's not bad, you know, is it? Right, let's get